So next I want to mention the motor load meter. That's this meter here. As we're running the material through, if the sandpaper is not touching the material at all, you'll have zero load. As it's pushing down on the material a little harder, you'll see the load increase. And generally, you never want to exceed 100%. So what you'll do as you're setting up for a particular thickness, let's say 11 gauge, at first you want to run it through there with the roller off of the platen so you get no load on the motor at all and no sanding action. Then you can close up the gap a little bit, run your part through there again and watch the load. And you'll see as that gap closes, you're going to have more and more and more load. Again, you don't want to exceed 100%. But if you have it set up just right on the thickest, widest part of your material that you're sanding, you may see a lighter load on the narrow sections, and the load will increase as the width of the part increases, and you never want to exceed that 100%.